everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm sharing with you all this easy appetizer, wings 3 ways using Frank's red hot sauces. Be sure to pick up your sauces to make this amazing wings recipe this All Year's/New Year's. And today's episode is being sponsored by Allston's Marketing Company Limited with brands such as Frank's Sauces, Bragg, Target Corned Beef, Lucima Pasta, Squeezy, French's, Caribbean Dreams, Naturally Almond, and President's Butter. So join me, let me show you how easy this one is going to be, and it's going to be a definite crowd pleaser. This segment is brought to you by Squeezy. Be sure to pick up a bottle of Squeezy on your next supermarket run. The perfect soap to wash your dishes. And it smells amazing. Okay, so let's season our wings. This is going to be a really simple seasoning here. So my ingredients are salt and citrus seasoning. If you wanted to add some green seasoning to this, you can. And I'm going in with all-purpose seasoning and smoked paprika, liquid aminos, a couple splashes, and a couple splashes of Worcestershire sauce. Next, I'm gonna mix this really well and allow it to marinate overnight. You want the flavors from all of those seasonings to get into the wings. Now if you wanted to marinate this in the morning or season it in the morning and fry it off in the evening, you can do that also. Cover and set aside. Once it's finished marinating, you can go ahead and fry or air fry or bake. It's totally up to you. I'm frying today. And these are going to fry for about 10 minutes. The wings are not huge, and the smaller they are, the less time it will take. Bigger they are, more time it will take. My trick to knowing when they're done is they start floating. And when they're done, we'll remove them and place them on paper towels to drain. And they have a beautiful golden brown color. These are naked, so you don't have to add any flour to fry them. So we're not coating them, period. Once they finish frying, I'm going to be doing 5 pieces of wings per sauce. I'm using buffalo, Nashville hot, and sweet chili from Frank's Red Hot. All you have to do is pour over your wings the different sauces and mix to coat. Once coated, you'll set them aside and continue mixing the rest of the wings. This is such a great appetizer, great finger food for you to have this holiday season. Mix, mix, mix. And guys, feel free to use as much or as little sauce as you like. And if you wanted to add the sauce on the side to dip, of course you can do that also. Be sure to scoop up all of that extra sauce in the bowl and sprinkle it over your chicken. Don't let it waste. My last flavor here is the buffalo. And I'll tell you, I've never been a fan of buffalo wings, but for some reason, I quite like this brand. So mix, mix, mix. It smells so heavenly, and these are so easy to make, and it's a great make-ahead meal. And scoop up that sauce and sprinkle it all over the wings. You're not going to let anything waste. And that's it. You've just prepared your appetizers. Now if you wanted to separate them according to the different flavors, feel free to. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Try it, make it for this holiday season, and comment down below and let me know what you think. So This is the last video here for Amco for this year. I want to say thank you to Amco, everyone there on staff that I dealt with. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you for the opportunity for allowing me to showcase your products, and to everyone else who supports me by watching my videos and trying these recipes. Thank you so much. I want to wish you and your family a happy New Year 2025. May you have the best year. I'll see you guys in the new year.